climbing lane, you morons! Jesus. Oh, my ears aching. Stop sign. Stop sign. Stop sign. And direct to the left lane. Direct to the left lane. Exit dive fail. Thank you for not hitting me. I greatly appreciate it. I don't think he liked that though. Left turn from the right turn lane. Do you mind? Jesus Christ. Good move. Yep. Num. And he's gonna run the red. Lamacher and Son, thank you for running the red. And thank you, little BMW, for being a BMW douche. Red light runners. In the car alone, wearing a mask. Hello, 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 hello. That was rude and unnecessary. Stop sign. You didn't even try. What are you doing, Larry? Look, you trying to hit me, dear. Thank y'all. You awake back there or what? Oh, God. Sleep at the wheel, honey. Sleep at the wheel. Hello. Goodbye. Okay. Racing turd. Damn it. Janet. Stop before you turn. BMW turd. Not like that. This ranger's creeping. He's gonna jump out in front of me. Yep. Does that strike you? Could you be happy with a woman like me? Oh, wait, hey, oh, hey, hey. Cameroid. Hi there, how you doing? Stop sign. Yes, I'm here. I see you looking. Jesus. I couldn't read the name of your frickin' truck. Thanks, douchebag. Again. Stay in your lane, thank you. Yeah, it's the wrong way. Thank you. Follow the arrows. Why did you move over if you're not passing? Thank you. Good. Same next time. In front of a dump truck. Is this an exit dive? Yes, that's an exit dive. Don't cut me off. 465-1134. I wanna run up to you, tell myself she's throwing your love away. Just cut him off. Did he stop? He didn't stop. That's a sure. Hello. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Cobalt, we're on the red. Don't make a left turn here. There's no left turn here. There's no friggin' left turn here. What are you doing? There's no left turn here. There's no fucking left turn here. You... What the hell was that? Shithead in a rogue. Nissan drivers. Okay, it's a turn lane, right? Nissan driver, straight from the turn lane. Fiat driver, straight from the turn lane. Acura driver, straight from the turn lane. You tell him, Grandma. The hell are you doing? I don't think that's a legal U-turn, was it?